Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Rosé from BLACKPINK with this jump look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to remove the bangs and then you're going to color it with this color. And then this hairstyle, you're going to choose only bangs and make it the same color. And put on this necklace, you're going to choose the gold too. And you're going to make it this white color. Okay, and put on this necklace as well. You're going to make it this white color. And then this t-shirt, you're going to make it gray and you're going to remove the pattern and then change the material to metallic. And you're going to put on this baddie necklace. You're going to change it to queen and you're going to color it with this color. And for this necklace, you're going to do adjustment. You can copy my adjustment to create this look. Okay, for the position, rotate and then scale. Alright, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to apply gray color, this gray color for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area again and put on this item. Okay, for this item, I'm going to apply the same gray color. Okay, just apply the same gray color for all the selection. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and put on this belt. Okay, and for this belt, I'm going to make it black for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the skirt area and I'm going to put on this skirt for the first selection and I'm going to combine it. Okay, and I'm going to combine it with this one and I'm going to make it black. Okay, and I'm going to put on this belt. For this one, I'm going to make it this gray color. And wait, okay, I'm going to go back to this area and put on this boots and then I'm going to make it black and white. So I'm going to change the second color with this black color. Okay, and let's go to the dressing room. And from this dressing room, I'm going to go to the Valentine update and I'm going to put on this bow. We're going to remove the bows and then I'm going to apply this color. Okay, and then make it metallic. Alright, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Rosé from BLACKPINK with this jump look and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.